Hello guys, thank you once again. This is David and I'm still your teacher for this training. This particular video is focused on taking you through all the processes involved in creating a blog by yourself. There are a lot of blog hosting platforms on the internet, but we will be focusing our training on Blogger. Blogger is owned and managed by Google and is one of the best free and easy to understand blog hosting platforms for beginners. In our last video, I asked you guys to get a new Gmail. The email is what we are going to use to create the blog. So if you don't have the email available yet, please create one before you continue with the video. So now that our emails are ready, let's head over to our browser and start creating our blog. But for those of you who will be working on their phones, just open your browser and locate the three vertical dots on the top right corner of your screen. Hit on it. Then look for the words desktop site. Select the box next to it. After that, you can continue with your work. Doing that will enable your browser display your work in the desktop view, just like someone working on a computer. Type in blogger.com. Let's click on create your blog. Here you are supposed to type your email that you want to use to create your blog. I mean the Gmail you created or the Gmail you intend to use to create your blog. Over here, you are supposed to enter the password of your email. So on the next page that will be open, you look for create blog and you click on it. Now it is asking us to type in the name of our blog. This is not the URL or the website address. It is actually the name or the name that you intend to give to your blog. So you also have to do same at your end. The name that you want to use for your blog, you type it in there and you hit next. The next page requires you to enter the address for your blog. When you are done entering the address in the space provided, hit anywhere on the screen and wait for Blogger to confirm whether the address you are taking is available. If it's not available, you should try and change the name till you get a suitable name that is available or accepted for you to use. You can see in the video that the first address that I used was not available. The second one was also not available. It was the third one which was available, then I decided to use that one. When you're okay with the available address, you hit on save to go to the next task. Now our blog is created, but this space is empty because we don't have any article yet, or we don't have any post published yet. That is why this place is empty. So this is the whole dashboard of Blogger. Now that we finished creating our blog, let's see how our blog looks like at the initial stage when nothing is there. So when we start creating or posting or publishing articles, you are going to find them on the screens here, just like this. But there are a lot of things that we need to do to get a good layout or a good design of our blog before we continue with the other things. So all the posts that we'll be creating and publishing will appear here. Guys, let me take you through all the things in the dashboard for you to know what each is here for. The first one is the post. Over here, any post or article that you write will appear here, whether it's a drafted article or it's a published article. You can use this arrow or this button to determine whether you want to see the published articles or drafted articles or scheduled articles. Those articles, you have given it a specific date or time that it should automatically post itself. That is what the scheduled articles are. The next thing is stats, that is the statistics. In the statistics page, you are going to see the number of clicks or visits to your website If you want to see the number of people who have visited your website in a week or in a month, there is an option here for you to select. So we have now, which is within an hour. We have last 24 hours as a day, 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, a year, and all time. If you want to see a more detailed analysis of your blog statistics, like the location of your visitors, the browsers they are using, the website or platform, and the URL that referred them to yours, the operating system they are using, and the rest, you scroll down and you click on more about this blog, and it will take you there to see all the details that you need. Let's go to the comment section. If your blog is that type of interactive blog where people come and share their ideas at the comment section, you're going to see all the comments on your articles here. So if you want to reply any of them, you're going to find the comment here and you reply it here. Now let's go to earnings. So if you know your website is ripe for monetization and you want to apply, you will have to come here and create and use this button to create an AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, you don't need to come here. You can just go there and do what you have to do in the AdSense account. Now let's check the pages. This column is where you create pages like about pages, privacy policy pages, disclaimer pages, and other things. Now let's go to the layout. The layout allows you to add, remove, and edit gadgets on your blog. You can also use this one to rearrange your template. If you want to give your template or theme a good look, this is the place that you come and rearrange everything. Let's go to theme. Blogger has a variety of templates or themes that one can choose from. We are currently using the Contemplite, this one. So if you want to change it to a different color, you can just come here and select any of them and follow the instructions. If you don't want this theme, just scroll down. There are other templates here that you can choose from. All these templates are provided by Blogger, and they are not advanced and beautiful as compared to other templates that you've seen on people's website. For instance, this website is hosted on Blogger and it uses a very clean, beautiful, and more advanced theme which has all the features necessary for monetization. This theme is not among the themes Blogger has provided. So if you want your blog to look like this or even better than this, please contact Davas Media and they will sort you out. Now let's go to settings. In the settings column, we are not going to talk about it in this video because we have a whole video dedicated for the settings. So we are not going to talk about it. The next in line is the reading list. This is not that important, so you don't need to do anything over there. The view blog is self-explanatory. If you want to see the homepage of your blog, just click on it and it will take you there for you to see what is going on your page. So now that we are done creating our blog and a lot of things being explained to us, let's add a little touch or a little beauty to our blog by uploading our page header and favicon. And when we talk of page header, we are talking about this text here, the text that bears the name of your blog. So right now we are going to change this text into a photo. So when we talk of favicon, favicon is the small picture that is always in front of the name of your blog on top of your browser. So right now my blog is carrying or using a default Blogger favicon. So we are going to change this one and use our own favicon that we've created. But before we will be able to upload our page header and our favicon, we need to design one. Therefore, we go straight to our Photoshop or our photo editor to create or design one for ourselves. Now our page header and favicon are ready. So we are going to integrate them on our website or upload them on our blog to see how it will look. But if you haven't created yours or you have no idea how to create it, please contact Davas Media so that we can create the favicon, page header, and your logo for you at a cost. Let's first deal with the page header. You go to your layout, you click on layout, and when the layout is opened, you look for header. And on the header, you click on the edit button here, which is the pen. This is how it looks like. This is the title of our blog. It's already written here. And this is what we are seeing on our blog right now. So if you want to change the title of our blog, it's just a matter of adding anything you want to add to it, then you save it. And here we are going to add or input a blog description. So if your blog is about news or it's about IT content, you describe what you are doing on your blog. So when you are done typing the description, you come here and you select upload image. Upload image. So the choose file will come. You click on it. Then you go and look for the image or the page header that you've designed. You upload it. When the upload is done, the image will be shown at the top here for you to see. So this is now our page header. When the upload is done, come here and click on instead of title and description, so that the title here, which is a text, will be taken away and will be replaced by this photo that we've just uploaded. And you click on shrink to fit, so that it will be able to fit any page or any screen, no matter how big or small it is. And you save it. When you save it, you come here and click on save, so that all the things or everything that you've done will be saved. So let's go to our blog and see whether the uploaded picture is showing at the page header. Let's reload it. Perfect. Our page header is now on our blog. So this is the first thing someone will see when they click on any link to your blog. Now let's go and upload our favicon. The place that we upload the favicon is not found at the layout, but rather at the settings column. So you click on settings, and in settings, you scroll down a bit and you locate the word favicon. You click on it. When it's open, you click on choose. But before you click on choose, make sure the photo that you are using is a square size. Make sure all the sizes are equal, and it shouldn't be more than 100 kilobyte. So before you upload, first check and see whether the photo you are uploading is less than that or above that. So this is my favicon. So let's wait for it to load and upload itself. The upload is completed, and this is the favicon showing here. So you click on save. Then you come back to your page or your blog and reload it to see whether the favicon will be showing at the top of your browser. Now our favicon is showing, and it has replaced the default Blogger favicon that was already there. This is where we end the video for lesson 2. In our next video, which is going to be the lesson 3, we are going to go deeper into our settings. Do all the settings that are required to have a successful blog. Thank you for staying with me. If you need someone to design your logo, favicon, and page header for you, and also if you want your blog appearance removed from this to this, please contact Davas Media and we will sort you out. This training is organized by Davas Media. We are specialized in blog designing, website management, video editing, and internet consultation.